Hey everyone, I'm back to do another little video. Alright, so got a few more things done on the bike. Got the tire on, and it's pretty nice, I gotta admit, it's pretty nice. I like it. It's got this kind of low profile kind of thing going on, or I don't know. Yeah, I just like it. And yes, it's backwards. I figured since that one is backwards, I might as well do that one backwards. That way they match. I figured, I'm not riding in rain or anything like that. So I think it'll be just fine. All right, so got that one done. Moving on. Got the air filter and shortened up the carburetor. And took off the gas pump. Took that off, and seems to be working quite nicely. And let's see, coming over here, I have my old chain on here. I mean, it's not old, it's like new, it's the cheap one. You know, I'm doing that for a reason, because I got the Bully Turbo clutch. 4-disc, 6-spring. Got that today. Put it on. Now I'm running bushings on this one. I do have bearings coming in. I did contact NR Racing because it's supposed to have, the sprocket is supposed to have bearings in it, and it came with bushings, and that's not what it showed in the picture. It didn't show anything about bushings or say anything about bushings. So I emailed them, and I will call them tomorrow around about 11, 12 o'clock. That's when they accept phone calls, between that time and 5 o'clock. So I'll call them just to check up and see what's going on. Alright, so yeah, got that done. Seems to be running pretty good. Brakes are working good. I haven't started it. I just put on the clutch, just got that done. So tomorrow I'll do the heating and cooling, which of course, I'm gonna come over here, it gets a little bit dark over here. Oh, and I got these here. I'll put these over here. I got a 70 and a, and a 77. So I'm gonna work with this here for now, what I got on there. It's easy to change them, but I'm gonna work with what I got on there for now. The last, I think this one here, this is the last one that I was running on there, and I believe that one's a 13. The one that comes with it is a 14. So I want to see how the difference is, see if there's a, how much of a difference, and see if I need to go with that, one of those. Anyhow, back to what I was saying. The heating and cooling. So got this here. It's a cheapo, but it'll do the job. So that basically the heating and cooling, you bring it up to about 250, let it cool down, bring it up to about, I think it's 300, let it cool down, and you keep doing that and up to about 400, degrees, and then you should be good to go. The more you do it, that didn't sound right. The more you heat it up and run it and let it cool down, the stickier it gets and the better the engagement is. Few things I gotta watch out for this. Basically, chatter. I have to listen for chatter when I start it up. If I hear chatter, I'm gonna shut it down quick and go ahead and adjust the springs and work on that. We'll see what happens with that. It shouldn't be very hard to adjust that, you know. So yeah, let's see. Oh yeah, and of course I got the gold race chain in. Got a brand new Normstar clutch with bearings. This one here is also a Normstar, but with bushing. So, oh yeah, and gold race chain. This thing was expensive. My other one, that dark one that I have on there, that thing costs like $20 or something like that. This one, oh hell no, this thing's like 80 something bucks for that chain. It's like ridiculously expensive. It's like, good lord, gotta have it. So yep, so right now I'm just gonna relax for the night. I still need to put this on. This is the roller. I need to get a bolt. Shouldn't be a problem getting a bolt that's big enough for this. I got all kinds of bolts. Question is, do I have a nut for that bolt? God, that didn't sound right. Okay, never mind. So I'll I'll go ahead and eventually running that, I'll have to grind this here out. I'll have to grind that out all the way down to slide that on. And then of course I have to get probably some washers, spacers, whatever, you know, for it. That shouldn't be a problem either. So anyhow, there we go. Wanted to let you guys know what I've been doing here with this. I know it's been a few days or so since I posted a video. Got that nice Fox sticker on there. Anyhow, yeah, so thanks for watching. I appreciate it. And I'll keep you guys updated. And I will talk to you all later.